Hello friends, welcome back to another reaction video. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, welcome. I'm Olga. Nice to meet you, and consider joining this wonderful family by smashing the red subscribe button below. And if you like my content, share and comment. And to my returning subscribers, to my returning viewers, welcome back. Today, friends, based on recommendation, I'll be reacting to Morissette Amon singing Fly Like a Bird. This is a cover song. Friends, this will be my first time of listening to this song. I urge you guys to join me as I listen to it. Now, sit back, relax, and stay tuned while I get this song. She's beautiful.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the world, break me tonight, need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold, I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the road, break me tonight, leave the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold, to pray you'll come and carry me home. I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. With God's love you'll
Oh my god! Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, friends, that whistle note was really wow. It was really amazing. It was really incredible. Wow, Morissette Amon is really talented. Wow, did you hear her voice? Did you hear the energy in the voice? Did you see the emotions she put while singing it? She sang this song so effortlessly. Oh my God, this is really beautiful. And the backup vocals, they really performed so well. I really enjoyed this song. I enjoyed her voice. I love her smile. She really looks so beautiful. Wow, and the backup vocals, I love it a lot. And the instrumentals, they really did a nice job. Thanks so much, friends, for recommending this song, and I hope you love it. Let me know your thoughts about this song in the comment section. Guys, if you have watched with me up to this extent, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe, why not do it now and turn on your notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload a new video. We've come to the end of today's reaction video. See you next time, and please stay safe until then. Bye bye.